Good morning and welcome to Green Side Up. I want to just show you 4 different sowing methods to help those who are new, or maybe show something new to people who know already how to sow seeds. Anyway, moving swiftly on, I've rigged this to a fine tilth and I'm ready to start. So I'm just going to press this soil down a little bit because I want the seed to be in contact with the soil, so you want it reasonably firm. And I'm just going to draw a drill out along this. The reason we sow in straight lines is so that we can define any weeds that are growing between our seeds that we've sown. I'm going to put these 4 markers in. You'll find out about them in a minute. There's somewhere to go. Right, the first and probably the most common method you'll see people using in sowing seeds. These are radish, by the way. Probably way too early for them. It's only just to show, demonstrate. Is a pinch of seeds. I have a problem with this. Is I now don't know how many seeds I've got in there, and as I'm moving my fingers to sow the pinch of seeds, I don't know how many is going to fall. So I have no real way of spacing them out. But we'll do this. We can judge roughly by, we can see what's falling out of the fingers. Smaller seeds though, you won't see them. The second method I want to show you is to actually use the seed packet itself, or as I've seen others use, a piece of folded paper. It illustrates both methods fine, and that's just to encourage them out slowly, like so. Personally, I think both of those methods, either out of the seed packet or out of folded paper or even a pinch, are not suitable for me personally. The method I've used the most over the years, but that's starting to change, is to take a pinch of seed in my hand and fold it. You've got a crease here, it stops them falling mostly, and just by moving your hand the seed will start to fall out, and it gives you a reasonable amount of control. The last method, and the one I use more and more, is a seed dispenser. This comes with a lid you put on for different sizes of seed to sow, which you then put on top, and it stops all the seed falling out all at once. Also on this seed dispenser there are grooves, or ridges actually, on this shoot, which stops the seed falling. So just put my seed in the middle there, hold it between thumb and index finger, and you tap with the other finger, and if you get it right and you hold it just about level, the seeds need to be jolted to come down that chute, so you have a little bit more control. And that's the 4 different methods. I do favour that more these days. If I haven't got my seed dispenser with me, I'll use the palm of my hand. I've never been a giant exponent of sowing direct from a seed packet, because they can all just fall out, especially with the smaller seeds. And the pinch of seeds, I used it the same as everybody else does when you first start, but I no longer use it. Any bigger seeds, any seeds bigger than a sort of a sweet pea size seeds, I will sow individually by hand. That's it really. And just to finish that off, all I do now is just flick some soil over the top, and I'll just water it, and that's it. With seeds in the ground, it's very easy to overwater them and to soak them. They'll start to rot and they'll never germinate. So I would wait now for that soil to start drying out. And the best indicator of how much soil water is in the soil is to do that, and you'll feel it. Right now this soil is cold and wet, so I'll give it a little sprinkle, but that will be all it needs. Once it starts drying out on the surface, I'll test it. If it needs water, I'll give it a little bit more, but it probably won't until I see shoots. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.